Hi there. This is a tutorial on H5P flashcards, but before we jump into the tutorial, I'd like to focus on what flashcards are, why they're beneficial, and how to incorporate them into your course. Flashcards are a simple yet highly functional tool for learning. They can help learners memorize and recall large volumes of information by leveraging the power of two cognitive principles: active recall and spaced repetition. Active recall is a process of retrieving information from your memory without any cues or hints, while spaced repetition is the practice of reviewing information and materials at optimal intervals to prevent forgetting. These two processes are considered to be among the most effective ways to enhance memory repetition. There are various ways to incorporate flashcards into a course. For example, they are suitable for language learning. You can create the flashcards to teach vocabulary, phrases, and grammar rules. Users or students can flip through the cards to see the words, its meaning, and pronunciation. They're also useful for practicing math facts. You can design flashcards for practicing multiplication tables, addition, subtraction, or division problems. Additionally, they can be used for historical events, scientific concepts, art and music appreciation, geographical quizzes, for medical terminology, safety procedures, formula memorization, so on and so forth. Let's take an example. As I'm preparing a material for statistics for beginners, one of my learning objectives for the course is to help students recall and recognize key statistical concepts, methods, and formulas. To make the course more engaging, students will be provided with a series of formula, but the main part will be missing. Their task is to identify which formula it is just by looking at it. I have prepared my images in advance using Canva, saved them in a separate folder to make this process faster. So as usual, we'll start by turning on the edit mode. We'll add activity or resource, H5P interaction, and we choose flashcards. Let's expand the window. So the title will be formulas. Let's put it like this for now. So for all the questions, I'll put the same question. What formula do you see on the screen? Adding first. Next will be the same question. Where it's needed, I'll justify later on. Let's proceed to save and display. So now, for example, we can check it's working, and there, everything is there. So with these images, we can update the questions later on. Another thing that I wanted to show is that, for example, for the mean, the response can be average, and we can give the alternative response by simply entering the OR and just adding average. The same I'm gonna do for standard deviation, and we'll just add SD. Here it can be also var. Let's save. And now I can check. Yes. Also, we can randomize the cards, so I will just click it here and proceed to save. So now they give us in different orders. Let's check. No. Okay. So yeah, we are done with our example here now. I hope this video was useful and informative. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and share in the comments how would you use flashcards in your course. Thanks for watching and see you next time.